Alright, so I was hesitant to sign on until we were officially in, but it is about 8 something in the morning. It doesn't even matter what time it is. Oh my God, we're officially here. After months, we are finally back inside of Universal Studios. Ken, how you feeling? Back in a theme park, first time in like months.
Okay.
Cannot be more excited. Our first stop is gonna be inside the Universal Studios store because, unlike last time, they actually have pass holder Universal Studios designed face masks. So they have one for $6 or 3 for $15. Ken, I love your face mask. You know I do. Yay! They also had 2 other designs. They had a blue UOAP, like pass holder one, and a rainbow Love is Universal Pride one. But those were sold out basically before we got to the register.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind on. And in my head I'm screaming,
Media here, media there. 'Tis the life of opening day. All right, so we're now gonna stop for breakfast at the Today Cafe. What you're gonna do is you're gonna order on the Universal Orlando app, and then I think they bring the food out to you after they seat you at a table. So it's not a line and go in and pick out what you want anymore. It's more of a dining thing, which, you know, ain't too bad. Funny enough, I've eaten at the Today Cafe. I've had like a coffee and I've had like some pastries and stuff, but I've actually never gotten food here. I'm actually very excited. That looks really good. And I got the ham, egg, and cheese melt, got the fruit cup, and an iced coffee.
but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh.
All right, first ride of the day, Jimmy Fallon. You do have to keep your mask on the entire time you ride, and you have to keep at least 3 seats between you and your party. How did you feel about it?
It was good.
Is everything drastically different?
Not really.
Not really. I think if you wear glasses, your glasses are going to tend to fog up a little bit, kind of like when you're talking or when you're breathing a lot. It's not like a roller coaster with like the Hulk or something with flips, so I'm not really sure how that's going to go, but as for that, that was not bad.
We see we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We see we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. I'm still so young.
Another thing that I really want to point out over here is the possibly the greatest idea post-COVID I've seen anybody do. This is called the U-Rest area. These are located all around the park, and if the mask gets to be too much, which they are very hot and they are very uncomfortable, and Florida heat is also very hot and uncomfortable, this is an area you can take off the mask, social distance, recoup, and I approve. Universal is handling this, I mean, extraordinarily well. I mean, masters of social distancing craft. Just got off Men in Black. 263,000 after 3 months of not being on it. Not half bad.
I got 165,000.
Also not bad.
Hey, what wand there?
Hey.
Hey.
Whoa, what kind of wand is that? Look at that, man. I don't think I gotta see that at Ollivander's, you know. So what's your names over there?
Jack.
Ken.
Jack and
Ken.
Ken. You know, sometimes people call me Ken for short.
Did they?
Yeah,
Did
Sean Ken.
Oh.
That's good.
They're all good. Come on, man. They're all good.
Up next is going to be one of my favorite rides here is E.T. Simply because it's probably the closest we're ever going to get to the Steven Spielberg E.T. sequel. The news crews were covering Today Cafe this morning. They were filming a car commercial up front, and now they're filming something else over by E.T. I kind of get it. They don't really want gatherings of large crowds, but man, I love the E.T. pre-show, and it's kind of sad that we're not going to get it.
Hurry.
You know, even though there was no pre-show, and E.T. did not say our names at the end.
Yeah.
What a heck of a good ride. I'm totally sorry if I've ever mentioned this on the channel, but it's just an interesting story. Have you all ever heard of the canceled E.T. sequel? The canceled E.T. sequel was, you know, the end of E.T. They like help him find his people, and then they get him on the ship, and E.T. phone home and he fly away, right? Basically, he is an alien prince. His species takes that as the humanity has kidnapped E.T. and now they want to invade Earth as an act of war. E.T., knowing that humanity is full of good because of Elliot and his friends, he now has to defend not only his people, but his family. Universal, at the time, felt as if that this would be too dark. They felt as if they can't market on E.T.'s race as cute and cuddly if they're going to be alien invaders. Which I get, and I respect that. But make the movie, you cowards.
Think we know everything, we don't know anything. But time doesn't move slow. Feel the pressure on me, I think I might go crazy. Oh, one too many years going by, I'm caught in an action, I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh.
Y'all, it feels so good to be back inside the wizarding world of Harry Potter. But the thing I want most, oh my god, I'm so excited. First Butterbeer in 3 months. And I Hermioned myself. I got it all over my face. Last time I had a Butterbeer was with Ken.
Yep.
Yeah, for my birthday. 4 months. 4 months. 4 months I've gone without Butterbeer. I didn't know it could be done. What a good day. Honestly, what a good day. Walking around Islands of Adventure, sipping on a Butterbeer.
That is good.
Life was great. I mean, genuinely great. It's not crowded. I mean, frankly, they're only operating at probably about 25% capacity, but my God. The rain stopped. The sun's starting to come out. I'll probably get my sunglasses back on soon. I have no complaints. All right, now that I'm done with my Butterbeer, mask back up, sunglasses back on. Let's go. Here's a look at the brand new Jurassic World coaster that they're building soon.
We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us.
You know what? It has been a solid minute. Let's go meet Blue again.
Two.
Yep.
You guys are gonna stay together, okay? There we go. Is that a video?
Yes.
All right, then we're gonna need to do something. Gentlemen, go ahead with your free hands. Wave to your camera. Wave. Here we are in Mold of Danger, having an excellent time.
What an absolutely awesome, fantastic day.
Yep.
Coming back to Universal Orlando. Any pros, cons?
Nope, they did a good job.
I think they did a wonderful job social distancing. They made sure to give us hand sanitizer as we got in every single ride. They wiped down every vehicle as soon as we were done. They had proper spacing, they had proper signage, everything made sense. Really my only con, and this is for those who wear glasses, is that a lot of the rides are 3D. And the 3D glasses will actually fog up a little bit extra with the masks. But other than that,
They did a good job.
phenomenal, amazing job. I'm so happy to be back, and I'm so ready to go again. You guys, the Parks vlogs are back. Go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode, and I'll see you guys next time.
Dinosaur.